Namaste and welcome to day 27 of your 30-day journey. Today's practice is going to be about a full body practice, and we'll start with getting seated in a comfortable position as usual. Okay, sit up nice and tall. Relax your shoulders, relax your chest. Close your eyes. Just breathing through this present moment. As you inhale, lift your shoulders all the way up, 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 and hold your breath at the top. Let your shoulder go to the highest position and hold it there. Hold. Open your mouth inside out, release the shoulder. Inhale, draw your shoulders up to the highest. Up, up, up. Hold your breath and stay. Hang in there, stay. And side out. Join your palms. Let's chant one sound of Om. Inhale. Om. Beautiful, simple intention for your practice. So clear with it, gently relax your hands. Take your time to open your eyes. We'll start with taking our left palm and place it under the hips, under your own hips. Push it down and take your neck away from the left side, going towards the right, and drop it. Lightly take the neck backwards to feel that stretch. And release. Taking the other palm under the hips and tilt your head towards the left side. Slowly come back up. From here, coming into all fours. Just taking the shoulders left side, all the way ahead, right side and back. Warming up your wrist. And reverse. Slowly take your left leg out on the left side. Place the soles of the feet down. Push it down and arch your back. Slowly release. Right leg on the right side. Arch soles of the feet down. Arch your back. You'll feel little stretch on the inner thighs. Breathe in that. Release. Take your left leg again on the left side. Take your right palm and thread it under. Release the head down and open your shoulders back. Look up either at your beautiful ceiling or a beautiful sky. Slowly come back up. Release the leg. We do the same thing on the other side. Right leg stretched out, feet down fully. Take your left palm under. Drop the left shoulder. Keep the weight slightly ahead also. Don't take your hips fully back. If you want, you can take your right arm behind your back and reach for the left thigh. Breathe. Slowly release the hands. Lift up and come back into all fours. Going for a good circle. Adjust your knees if you need to, but circle the hips. Reverse the direction. Slowly, from here, we'll take the left knee first. You open it on the side and make a big circle as if you're painting a circle from the knee on the side of the wall and not on the floor. Okay? 3. Keep going. And focus and connect inwards in your breath. And reverse the direction. You're doing amazing. We do this together. No stopping in between. Weight on the left palm also. Don't shift entirely on the right. And release. Doing the same thing on the right leg. Open. Keep going. Second side already is fired up. So don't give up yet. And reverse. Almost there. Weight on the right palm. And release. Relax in child's pose and breathe. Slowly coming up. Taking your right leg in front of the left like this. And then crossing over. So your both knees are coming in front of each other. Now open the heels as much as you can. And try to sit back on your hips. Yes, it's like a shoelace. You're trying to pull both the ends of shoelace out. Your hips might make you feel very different and look very different. That is your practice. Wherever your knees is, just be there. Lengthen your spine and sit your both the hips down. For Gormukhasan, take your right hand up, bend it, reach back. We tried to do this in our yesterday's mobility practice, right? So just reach back. And this time we add the other hand, left palm from down, going back and trying to reach for the right palm as much as you can. Look up and breathe. Slowly release. Just stay here with the legs and walk your hands as much as you can ahead, keeping the spine straight. Slowly come back up. We just straighten the legs in front to switch the sides of the legs. So take your right feet under first, under your leg, and then left feet above. Make sure you're not sitting on the heel is out. Sit tall, wiggle your hips to find the way. Yes, take your left palm front and up and bend it back for your touching your shoulders. Right palm from behind, reaching and trying to touch the fingertips. Chin up, relax and breathe. Slowly release. Release the hands down. Walk the hands in the front as much as you can and lower the head. So I don't drop my head completely, I'm just lowering the head in line with the spine. No point taking your head up like this. It's deviating from the line of your spine. Just maintain it from the line of your spine, keeping it relaxed. Breathe there. Slowly coming up. From here, just release the legs. Shift on the center of your mat. Take your both the legs up in Navasana, both pose. Lift your chest up, arms ahead, and breathe. Don't round and sink into your spine. Lift it up higher. Relax your shoulder blades. Spread your collarbone to the sky. Yes. And release. One more time. Lift up. Spread through. Hold. And release. One more time. Last one to go. Spread your collarbone, palms facing each other, and hold. And release. From here, we just keep the hands under the right foot. So your left foot and the right palm, extend it as much as you can. So extend it to the side, push away. Left foot, right palm. Yes. Lovely. Relax your right foot, right feet, and take your left palm on the side. Look back and breathe. Slowly release. We do the same thing on the other side. Take your left palm and right foot. Extend on the side and breathe. Look back and stay. 5, 4, you can relax your left feet under. 3, 2, and 1. Release. Wow, that's lovely. Sit tall with your legs in butterfly, slightly further away from you, and breathe. Pull slowly from here. Try to shift our weight on the legs, coming into Malasana. Yes. Try to drop your hands down. It's okay if the heels are off. Press the palms and lift up the hips. Knees are slightly bent. Exhale, drop it down. Inhale, lift the hips. Exhale, drop it down. Inhale, lift the hips. Exhale, drop it down. Inhale, lifting the hips. Exhale, drop it down. Inhale, lift the hips. Exhale, drop it down. Inhale, lift the hips. Exhale, drop it down. Inhale, lift. Amazing. Exhale, drop. 3 more. Lift and drop. 2 more. Lift and drop. Last one. Amazing. Superpower and release. Sit on your hips. Allow yourself to just lie down on the mat. Surrender. Palms facing up. And breathe. Don't try to control anything. Just surrender and breathe. Thank you so much for practicing with me. Namaste.